children, today let's start with chapter number 12, weather. So what is weather? It is the state of atmosphere surrounding us. What is weather? It is the atmosphere surrounding us. It depends upon the condition of sun, wind, rain at a particular phase. Weather can change very quickly. It may be bright and sunny in the morning, but may suddenly become dark and cloudy in the evening. ये डे टू डे चेंज करता है. कभी वेदर विंडी होती है, कभी रेनी होती है, कभी फॉगी होती है, सनी, क्लाउडी. एंड सीजन इज फाउंड व्हेन अ पर्टिकुलर weather continues for a long time. Sunny, rainy, windy and cold day. Got for it? Now sun rises in the east, set in the west. Sun rotates around the earth, moon rotates around the sun. Water changes into water vapor. On heating, hot air is heavier than cold air. Moon shines with its own light और earth क्या करता है? अपने axis पे rotate करता है. Now let's study some term related to weather. First is humidity. It means that amount of water vapor present in the air. When the amount of water vapor is less in air, our sweat dries up quickly. And on other hand, जब ज़्यादा water vapor होता है, वो कहाँ होता है? Air में present होता है. और जो हमारा sweat है, वो जल्दी से क्या? Dry नहीं होता. We feel sticky and call them weather as humid. Now evaporation. The process of changing our weather into water vapor on heating is called evaporation. It may be fast or slow. वो किस पे depend करता है? It's depend upon the condition of wind, temperature and area available to evaporation. Now condensation, the process in which water vapors cool down to form water again is called condensation. Then we have fog. So when water vapors mix with very cold air, right? They change into water drops and form a white blanket just above the land or water surface. It is called fog. Dew, in winter, water vapor in air when comes in contact with cold surface condense and to form droplets on the outer side of the cold surface. इसको हम dew कहते हैं. When water vapor present in the air suddenly gets cooled, it freezes to form tiny white snowflake. Now role of the sun. So the sun and the movement of the earth play an important role in the change of weather. So we can say day and night. We know that earth rotates on its axis day and night. During the day, the sun rays heats up the land, air and water, making the weather very warm. Next is season. Revolution of the earth around the sun causes season on earth. There are 4 seasons enjoyed in India. There are winter, spring, summer and autumn. We have rain in the monsoon and monsoon are seasonal and usually end of summer. So this you can see here is summer, autumn, winter and spring. Humidity and rain. The sun changes the states of water. Sun heat changes ice store. जब sun की heat पड़ती है तो ice किस में change हो जाती है? Water में change हो जाती है. ठीक है. और water क्या करता है? Water vapor में change. Blowing wind. The heat energy of the sun heats the air near the earth and the hot air spreads and become lighter. The hot air rises up, at the same time cooler air flows down to take its fill. So thus the sun causes wind to veer. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.